is Michael Wilson. We're looking at how to make someone stay. In James 5:11, we read the following. We count those blessed who endure. You have heard of the endurance of Job and have seen the outcome of the master's dealings, that the master is full of compassion and merciful. Fear and anxiety can weigh us down. It can seem like we are drowning. We all know it is no fun at all. So what does God ask us to do? God asked us to help others. A good word and a blessing can make someone else glad. In blessing others, we become blessed by God. That is just His way. God is good. So you cannot persevere unless there's a trial in your life. For example, I've broken my hand in two places. There can be no victories without battles. There can be no peaks without valleys. If you want the blessing, you must be prepared to carry the burden and fight the battle. So what is the point that James is making? Well, consider Job. Okay, it's a long book and it's got a lot of boring speeches, but Job endured. He never cursed God. He sucked it up. And how did God deal with him? God showed great compassion and mercy. Now that is good news. Our part is to endure. God will bless us.